How we got in that idea of combining the yin with the drum is while once I had a session with you, healing session with the drum. We got the idea, why not combining yin with the drum?
Idea and that combination, so we can literally go to that exact point where we can feel, okay, something is blocking there. We can go into it with a vibration of the drum. It's not just the vibration, it's also the rhythm of the drum, which brings you in the theta waves, which is meditative. That moment, what I feel, where I have to go with, or the big drum or the small drum, I'll go there with the drum and with the vibration, so it dissolves the blockades which are in your body.